Hi guys. Let's see how to keep Task Manager always on top in Windows 10 computer. Windows 10's Task Manager is a robust application that enables you to kill processes, monitor system utilization, control startup items, log in or log out users, and do other system-related operations. Here's how to keep Task Manager always on top if you use it frequently and want it to always be visible above other windows. The first thing you have to do is to launch the Task Manager. Open the Task Manager by pressing the Ctrl+Alt+Del keyboard shortcut, and choose Task Manager, or you can also open the Task Manager by pressing Ctrl+Shift+ESC or right-click on the taskbar and select Task Manager. Now on the menu bar, click on Options and choose Always on Top, which turns on Always on Top mode. A checkbox will appear to the left of it. Check the Task Manager. It will remain on top of all the windows you have opened. This feature will stay on even when you close the Task Manager and reopen it again. That's it. So if you enjoyed the video, please like, share and comment to the video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.